what it feels like buying an American car. I think I know who the owner of this car was.
You guys need napkins back there?
Oh, we're good.
Careful of the fries. Okay.
Get more ketchup? Oh yeah, squirt it on them.
Okay, so step number one is obviously get all of the garbage out of the car and just throw it away. Okay, we're going to start with wearing gloves because you don't want to touch this crap. Next, we'll definitely need purple power, so just, get a huge gallon like this because we're gonna need a ton here, and just get it into a bottle like this, and we're just gonna flood this thing with purple power. Hey guys, get a load of this, a full bag full of trash. It's honestly amazing what kind of stuff and bonuses you can get when buying a used car. First of all, you obviously get the actual car. Next, you get a bunch of food and McDonald's wraps, which you can obviously reuse and stuff. We even have some sauces here. Oh wow, what do we have here? Even a lottery ticket? Wow, we even have a student identification card, so we can probably even steal this identity. Fantastic. And then after we had our McDonald's lunch, we even have a toothbrush to brush our teeth. And the thing about purple power, you don't want to use it if your car is just dusty or, just like some light kind of dirt. But if your car is absolutely trashed like this, you definitely want to use purple power. And in fact, I even use purple power to detail semi trucks, so this should do the trick. Okay, so let's start spraying. Sorry, my nozzle spray is broken, but again, we're waiting for some new sponsors to sponsor us, so let's start spraying. Okay, so yeah, just spray the entire thing. You want it to soak in all of this garbage. And yeah, so any dry spots like this is just as hard as rock now. Purple power will help to, make all of this stuff moist. That way you can get it off. Okay, so yeah, just spray all of this stuff in purple power. The thing that sets professionals apart from beginners is clean small areas like this. Again, this might not be very noticeable, but that's high-end detailing right there. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the entire top portion of the dashboard. And man, this is actually beginning to look good. And this is just with purple power. So yes, the compartments have been soaking for a while. So I think it's time to get this stuff off. And also remember, the areas to clean the best and to take your time on are obviously on the driver's side, because that's where your client or whatever the buyer will sit down, and this is where they will notice any dirt and stuff. So especially the steering wheel, the on and off button, because this is the stuff that the person will actually touch with their hands, so make sure it's clean. Okay guys, so this driver's side door was entirely cleaned with purple power, and check that out. Now the thing about purple power, of course it will make your car clean, but in the end it sort of fades the paint a little bit. But that is where high gloss will come in. With high gloss, we'll just spray the entire car and it will make the trims and everything shine like new again. So again, this is a door that we just cleaned with purple power. Check that out, absolutely mad clean. Okay, and now this is a side that we didn't clean, and yeah man, that is pretty darn bad. Okay guys, the entire front has been purple powered. Even all of these compartments, as you can see, are now really clean. Yes sir. And comparing this to the back, yeah, I'd say there is a giant difference, alright? Okay guys, it is always blazing hot with the Trailblazer. I'm completely sweating after cleaning this thing, but it's finally done, so let's take a look. Yes sir, check that out. Clean. That looks nice, and the back has been cleaned as well. Beautiful. Now the carpet is something we'll do next. We'll just have to vacuum all of that. And about the paints, as you can see, it's a bit faded. So that's what Purple Power does. It definitely cleans, but yeah, we'll just have to high gloss this and let's get this done. Now let's see what's inside the trunk. Oh, shoot. No, please don't tell me this is what I think it is. It's just a toy, but it's still pretty nasty. Okay, so we actually have a 2018 Civic today. It's a manual too, so recently the prices of chicken coops have risen to insane prices. So I think what I'll do is just lock up a bunch of chickens in here. As I mean, I already have a ton of crumbs and stuff, so I'll just lock them up in this Civic and, have some free eggs. And obviously our friend here took some medications to make his stock 100 horsepower naturally aspirated Civic feel like a real supercar. Okay guys, the Civic has been purple powered, the entire front has been, and yeah, that's beginning to look pretty nice. And I just have this rear door to finish, so just for comparison to show what it looks like really. Yeah, just soak all of that stuff in purple power and it should look somewhat like this after. Okay guys, when it comes to floor mats, now this is really bad. Okay, but cleaning rubber floor mats is actually pretty easy. So again, use purple power. I already sprayed this one with purple power, and let's spray this one with purple power again. Okay, after that, just take your super dirty towel, the one that you literally, don't care too much, because you're gonna trash this after you're done. Okay, and start wiping. Just rubbing on all of these sticky spots to make sure it comes off. Yeah, just rub really well. Okay guys, so I'm not such a great multitasker. I just got the Civic done and now we're heading back to the Trailblazer. So what we're gonna start with is, first of all, remove all the floor mats. Okay, all of the floor mats are now removed, and I think some very ancient hairy creatures were driving this thing. And after intense 5 minutes of going back and forth with the vacuum cleaner, this is the result. Now we started from this. Let's move this seat and check this out. Even where the gas pedal is, it's almighty clean. Okay guys, so as you can see, the entire carpet has been cleaned and that looks very nice. So yes, now is the time for high gloss. And thank you so much, Meguiar, for your prompt response. Again, we really appreciate working with you. And this right here is the Meguiar Supreme Shine High Gloss Protectant. So not only does it make your car shine, it actually protects your car. Right here. Why is it not? Okay, now it's going. Perfect. Grab a towel and gently rub it in. You want to basically make sure that the entire surface is covered with high gloss, and you have to let it sit for some time, and then with a new towel you'll sort of wipe it off to have this buffing sort of effect. Welcome back, my friends. I have just wiped and applied the high gloss onto the entire car. As you can see, that already looks amazing. I mean, it's just so glossy right now. But here is where the finishing touch comes in. We'll take another towel and just slightly buff this thing to make it shine even more. If you watched our previous video about how to fix clear coat spills, well, you would have known that we constantly run out of towels. And thank you so much, Harbor Freight, for watching this video and for supplying your customers with this coupon where you get free towels. We really appreciate you. Okay, so since we already evenly applied the high gloss, you just sort of, just very lightly just wipe this. It will, remove all of the dust and particles and stuff. And it will just add a slight bigger shine to your car. Okay, here's the moment we have all been waiting for. Check that out. This is high gloss that was buffed. And another thing that we didn't mention is that this car was smoked in and it smelled really bad. But we fixed it, now it smells amazing. If you would like to know how to fix that issue if your car was smoked in, comment below and we will make a separate video on how to do that. Anyway, when we got this thing, we were really surprised because this is a 2022 Trailblazer and we were just stunned. How can somebody in just 1 year get this car so dirty? Anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully you're never gonna go to McDonald's or fast food again, or at least you won't eat it in your car. Thank you and have a great day.